Did you know that the humble bottle opener relies on a fundamental principle of physics that can be found in the universe's most extreme forces? This principle, known as torque, is the rotational force that makes a bottle opener turn and pry open a stubborn bottle cap. It's a force so powerful that it's been harnessed by everything from tiny atomic particles to massive galaxies. But in the case of the bottle opener, torque is what makes it easy to twist and turn a bottle cap without applying too much pressure. This is especially important when dealing with stubborn or rusty bottle caps, which can be notoriously difficult to open. So, what's the secret to making a bottle opener work so efficiently? The answer lies in the way the tool is designed to apply torque, using a combination of leverages and fulcrums to multiply the force of the user's twist. Imagine a seesaw, where the fulcrum is the point where the force is applied, and the two ends of the seesaw are the bottle cap and the handle of the opener. As you twist the handle, the force is multiplied by the length of the seesaw, making it easier to open the bottle cap. But that's not the strangest part. The bottle opener also relies on another fundamental principle of physics: friction. Friction is the force that opposes motion between two surfaces, and it's what keeps the bottle cap from flying off as you twist the opener. But what happens when the friction is too great and the bottle cap refuses to budge? That's when the bottle opener really earns its keep, using its clever design to apply just the right amount of force to overcome the friction and pry open the cap. And then something unexpected happens. The bottle cap suddenly gives way, and the contents of the bottle are revealed. It's a moment of triumph, as the user feels a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment at having overcome the obstacle. But what's really going on here? From a scientific perspective, the answer lies in the way the bottle opener applies torque and friction, using a combination of mechanical advantage and clever design to overcome the forces opposing motion. This is a fundamental principle of physics, one that underlies everything from the simplest machines to the most complex systems. And it's a principle that can be found in everything from the human body to the stars in the sky. The next time you reach for bottle opener, remember the science behind it: the torque, the friction, and the clever design that makes it all possible. It's a testament to the ingenuity of human beings, who have harnessed the fundamental forces of the universe to create tools that make our lives easier and more convenient. So the next time you open a bottle, take a moment to appreciate the science behind it. The bottle opener is more than just a simple tool. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity. And who knows, maybe one day, the bottle opener will be replaced by a new technology that's even more efficient and convenient. But until then, let's appreciate the simple joys of a well-designed bottle opener and the science that makes it all possible. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery into the wonders of the natural world. And don't forget to like and comment below to let us know what you think and to share your own stories of scientific discovery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and engage with our community.